Hello everyone, this is Chris Underwood from EliteForexCircle.com with your weekly review for the week ending March 30th, 2012. Just kind of want to go over some trades that we have for the week, at least for the beginning of the week, and so that we can get prepared for hopefully a good week of profits. Starting off with the Aussie dollar. We have two possible scenarios here. We have a bullish scenario and a bearish scenario. First, I would like to discuss the bullish scenario. But before we can consider any type of bullish scenario, I would like to see this level of 1.0620 being broken, closed above, retest, and held. And if that happens, we could see price going as high as 108.20. And again, if it gets broken here at this level, price could go as high as 109.90. That's scenario number one. Scenario number two, if you look here, we have a nice daily trend line. Price has respected the 200 moving average. RSI is kind of respecting this 50 line, so it's still possible that scenario number two might happen, which is a break below the 200 moving average, the daily trend line, retesting the trend line and holding, and if that happens, we could see price going as low as 102. Okay. The next pair I have on the on my list is the euro dollar. If we go down to the 4-hour trend 4-hour chart here, we see that we have a nice stiff resistance around 132.70, which price is starting to attack. If price closes above, retests, and holds, this could be a buy signal, and we could see price going as high as 133.70. Any kind of break through this level, price could go as high as 134.70. But please pay attention to this chart here. As you can see, we have a nice double top that's being formed with a bearish regular divergence. So if this candlestick or the next couple of candlesticks, as the market opens, ends with some kind of maybe inverted hammer, maybe a bearish engulfing pattern, or even a possible bullish Marubozu, and we get the stochastic indicator to cross down, that could be our sell signal, and we'll be aiming the previous support around 130.150. So two scenarios for the euro dollar. Bullish scenario, break above the 132.70, close above, retest, and hold, could take us all the way to 133.70. And the bearish scenario is if this in the next couple of candles we get some kind of bearish candlestick pattern with the stochastic indicator crossing down, that could be our signal to sell, and we will be aiming the 130.150 level. The next trade I have on the list is the New Zealand dollar. Okay, this one acts just exactly the same as the Aussie dollar. So again, we have two scenarios here, a bullish and a bearish scenario. First bullish, again, to consider any type of bullish scenario. First, we want to see price close above the 82.70 area, close above, break above, close above, retest, and hold, would be a bullish signal to around 84.15. A break above, close above this level could see price going as high as 85.65. Okay. The next scenario, again, just like the Aussie dollar, we have this daily trend line. Price has supported the 200 MA. If price, and look, RSI indicator fighting the 50 line, price could start to make its retrace down. Close below the 200 moving average and the daily trend line could take us as low as 79. What else do we have on the list? Dollar yen. Okay, for this pair, what I see happening is price playing around, maybe forming some kind of flag pattern here, maybe 2 to 3 days. Break below the flag pattern would be our sell entry, and we'll be aiming this range of 81 to 80. On the other hand, I do believe price could make another high, maybe around there, creating our next divergence with this higher high and these lower highs. And if we get the next divergence, that would be our divergence that could possibly change the direction of the dollar yen. So I am very bearish on this pair. Any up move would be a signal to join this pair for the down move. And that is all I have for the majors. If we look to the crosses here I have the Euro Canadian. We have a Bollinger Band duplication area right here. Okay, this takes us to around the 133 area. I believe price could reach this area, and if it does, this is where we'll be attacking. We'll be following this bearish continuing regular divergence. Watch for the RSI indicator. It could start to play back up, creating an extreme area. And if we get the extreme RSI indicator with the continuing divergence around the 133 area, that's where we'll be looking to attack, and we'll be aiming the 132 area. And that is all I have for this week, friends. Hopefully you have a good weekend, a good week in profits, and make sure to check out EliteForexCircle.com for any updates. Thank you, and have yourself a great week.